forgot my watch.
Yeah, that's because you came to class pretty earlier. So you forgot your water then. Use grid 2 to find the ordered pair for each point. The position of any point of a grid can be described by an ordered pair of numbers. The numbers are named in order X and Y. Point A on the grid of the right is named by the ordered pair 3, 2. Full stop. It is located. It is located at 3 on the horizontal scale X and at 2 on the vertical scale Y. The number on the horizontal scale is always named first on the ordered pair. Yeah. Point B is named by the ordered pair 7 and 3. Now in grid 2, they say use grid 2 to find the ordered pair for each point. Use grid 2 to find the ordered pair for each point. Are you okay? So I can't see you. Can you come out? Let me see you. All right. So you got your water, right? So what section are you now? Grid 1 or grid 2? Grid 2. All right. Grid 2 says use grid 2 to find the ordered pair for each point. I think it's pretty straightforward, right? What's that you're taking?
In this type of cup, when the water is like inside of it and the water is cold, the cup sometimes gets really cold and changes color.
Wait, I want to understand it. Can you show me the cup? Let me see. I want to understand why it does. So that's a water, right? So but you just change the color because of the type of cup. Wow, that's impressive. Anyways, I want you to get done with grid 2. Grid 3 says plot the 4 points shown on grid 3. Label the points. More like they want you to plot the graph yourself. Yes, they want you to plot the graph yourself. So they want you to plot the graph yourself. That's what grid 3 says. So please kindly stop whatever you're doing. I'm seeing you right now. Stop whatever you're doing. Go back and focus on the grid 2. You have a few minutes to go. Turn the camera. I want to see your face, okay? Okay. Do I need to solve that for you?
No.
No, I don't, right?
No.
Okay, that's great. So after that, we are going to page number 137. Page number 137. And they were still on ordered pairs. Can I ask you, why is it called an ordered pair?
Because it's in order and it's a pair of numbers.
Oh, I can hear you. Because what?
Because the two numbers are named order.
I can hear you. I told you to stop talking like this. I can't hear you.
Because there are two numbers that make a pair that are in order.
And the other is in the X and the Y, the horizontal and the vertical, right? Good. Well, if they ask you a question, always remember that you are online and you have to increase your voice. Okay. So are you done with grade 2? I don't know why you're wasting time in grade 2. Grade 2, just use the alphabet, put the coordinates, and let's move on. Why are you still there?
Now I'm done with grade 2.
But why would you be there since? Do you know how long you've been in grade 2? Please, next grade. Grade 3. Grade 3 entails that you should pull out each of the coordinates, each of the ordered pair. Now, there's something I want you to notice. There's something. Look up. I want to see you. Look up. Did you notice a consistency? Look. In grade 1, there was an ordered pair, 3 and 2. Then there was no number and they put a dash. That dash means the particular point on the grid. The particular point that caused the X and the Y displacement. Do you understand me? Say what I said now. Say it. Say what I said.
I don't understand.
You don't understand and you were looking as if you understood. Please sit up. I want to see you. I told you when I'm saying sensitive things, I don't want you just casualizing it like it's nothing. I said something sensitive because I want to point. I know you know how to solve it, but you don't know why you are doing it. That's why I want to show you why you are doing it. So a point like this, a complete pair will give you something like this. A bracket 3, 2, B bracket 3, 2, etc. Right? The point A is the point on the graph. These are the ordered pair. The X and the Y axis. So from the first grid, what did they say? The first grid, they wanted you to get the points. The second grid, you can see the second grid. The second grid, they have the points, right? They have the point, but there was no pair. Now the third grid, they have the point A bracket 3 and 2. The point and the pair is there. Then now, when both of them are there, it's easy. They want you to plot it on the graph. Does it make sense to you?
Yes.
So now, if it does make sense to you, in that spirit, you're done with grade 2, right?
Yes.
So can you kindly move to grade 3? So the alphabet close to the open and close parentheses is what? The points. The alphabet close to the open and close parentheses is called the points. The points on the graph. Right?
Yes.
So now, can you explain what I told you? Explain it again.
You said that there is the name of the
Please talk out and talk fast. Stop using your talk to waste our minutes, please.
there you said there is the name of the dots, and then there is the ordered pair. In grade 1, it was looking for the name. In grade 2, it was looking for the ordered pair. And
You're talking to yourself.
No.
I can't hear you.
You said that in grade 1 it says to name.
I can't hear you. I told you when you are talking, talk out. Start again.
You said that for grade 1 we have to name the points. For grade 2 we had to find the ordered pair, and for grade 3, since there
I told you when you are reading out to somebody online, to your online teacher, you don't sound as if your teacher is there with you. Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
What if I start to mumble like you? Would you hear me? So go back. I can't hear you. It means that I can't actually hear you. So you have to increase your voice.
You said that in grade 1 we had to name the dots. On grade 2 we had to find the ordered pair, and for grade 3, since there was a name and the ordered pair on the instructions, it means we have to put the dots on the graph.
Impressive. So there was something significant that I named. And can you tell me that? Can you speak out, please? I don't know why you're wasting time. Time is money. Don't you know that every 1 hour that you spend in this class is money? Why do you want to waste it? So what are you saying? I'm waiting for you. You're thinking, where did you stop? And why are you thinking? And how can I help you? Okay, meanwhile, the last point that I made was I added that the point close to the ordered pair is the point on the graph. Anytime you are given the point on the graph plus the ordered pair, it means that you should just go ahead and plot the graph. Does it make sense? Alright, finish up now so that we can get to the next. You know, we want to finish your textbook before the year runs out. So we have succeeded in finishing a whole textbook for a whole section. Clap for yourself. You did a great job. I can't hear your clap. Did you clap? I can't even hear you. What happened to yours? Good. Okay, good. So finish the last grade. Let's move to the next one immediately, please. That's not supposed to be difficult, is it? Just plotting the exercise. So you're not supposed to take more than 5 minutes.
I finished grade 3.
Very good. Impressive. Go to the answer point. Check all the answers. Are you correct?
Yes, it's correct.
It's correct. All right, let's move to the next one. So we are going to page number what?
Page number 137.
137. Good job. So they said it's still the same ordered pairs. They just want you to trace it on another graph. Or they want you to tell them the points. Which of them? The first one is what?
The first one.
What was the instruction on the first one?
It says
Use the grid to complete the items below. So they've given you all the points. So you just tell them the coordinates. Please don't waste time, okay?
Okay.
The other one is an empty graph. They want you to plot it. They've already given you a complete grid. So we're going to. So the first one, you know, they already gave you that sample and what to do. They just want you to add the points, right? So you just go at random from the scattered points on the graph. You connect it to the pair and then you complete it. Then the second question says, give them the coordinates from the same graph. At every point they gave you, just write the coordinates. Then now the last one said, plot the points on the grid on the right, label the point. Plot the points on the grid on the right and label the points. Now the last one says you should create. That means you should plot from that graph. Please hurry up. We want to move to another page. We are trying to go further in the pages. Okay? We want to hit our targets. How did you see grade 5? Was it great? In all subjects too? Good job. Impressive. Imagine. Where are you now?
I'm on grade 3.
That's 5 and 6.
Yes.
Alright, hurry up. So we move to the next. Our target is to finish the textbook. So we have just 8 pages to finish the textbook for this section. I'm happy that we started from scratch and we finished a whole textbook. That's what it means. I'm waiting for you. Please don't waste time. You're supposed to just point it with the points. If you get to the point on the graph, then you put the number associated with it. More like if you get to the M and the X and the 2, that's the X and the Y. If you plot the X from the horizontal line, then you plot the 2 from the vertical. At that particular point, you put M. At that particular point, you put M. Do you understand?
Yes.
Then if you go to the other one, you see that N, you point from the horizontal 6 steps from a 1 centimeter to 1 unit scale, 6 steps from 0 to 6 on the horizontal, then 5 steps upward from 0 to 5 in the vertical. Then when you get there, what will you do? You name it N. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that is how to do it. That's how to do it. Remember, time is a very good factor. Thank you. So after this one, we move to page number what? Page number what?
Page number 138.
138. Okay. So good evening, guys. I had to mute my student. So thank you for joining my live. I want you to please share this live video so that other people can see it. Okay, so maybe during the holidays, if we're available, we could always do some of our classes live, right? So thank you for joining me and thank you for staying on this channel. You can do us a favor or do me a favor by sharing this live video across. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for your good comments, and continue to like, to share, So share this live video to everyone. Share it to your WhatsApp status. Share it to your Facebook stories, everywhere, so that everyone can join. Like all the people that are interested and the people that still want to watch us come live on YouTube can start joining us to come live on YouTube. I also want to use the special medium to thank all the people that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you all so much for standing strong with us. I am deeply grateful. So please share this live video and God bless you. Going back to my class to unmute my class. Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
You done? So what's the next page?
138, which is problem solving.
Okay, problem solving. Good job. So read the first instruction there. Let's see if you can solve it.
It says you can use coordinate grids
To help you solve problems. A line runs from 3 and 2 to 7 and how long is the line? They're just trying to find out if you know gradients. So now how long is it? Count the number of points between the origin and end of the lines to find the length of the line. So the distance between 3 and 2 and 7 and 2 is 4. Because we are counting distance. Don't count distance vertically. We count distance what? Horizontally. Do you understand? If we start counting vertically, that means we are now counting the height of anything. Height, because if you count horizontally, there was no upward displacement. It remains down on a steady speed. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So now, whenever you hear calculate the distance, you just try to subtract the value of the first x-axis you were given from the value of the second x-axis. It is assumed that the second displacement is higher, but depending on the displacement, they could give you the second displacement at the first coordinate in the line. So the highest one, you would use that to subtract the other. But sometimes you can actually get a negative displacement going back from 0 to minus x. You know that you can get a negative displacement if they are telling you that the second displacement. Let's take for example the car starts from 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So the first coordinate was, this is 1, this is 2. Let's say the first coordinate was 2 and 1. At this point we drew it. Then the second coordinate was now what? 0. No, let's not use 0. Minus 1 and 1. Second coordinate is now, of course, obviously here will be minus 1. And this is taken at the second. So when you want to do this, taking the distance part, you say minus 1 minus 2. So definitely we went back in displacement. From going from this point, we started going back. So it's going to be minus 3. That means we went all the way back with this arrow to minus 2. And then went back to minus 3. That's the arrow went back to. Is it clear? So that's what they're asking you to do. So use that graphing to find the distance. The other one, they said a rectangle has a point at 4 and 2 for the first coordinate and 6 and 2 for the second coordinate, 4 and 7 for the third, and 6 and... What is the perimeter of the rectangle? You know how to get the perimeter, right? You sum up all the sides, right? So Be steady. Do this fast. Let's move to the next page. First of all, before you start dealing with the angles, before you start dealing with the sides, you have to know what side of the polygon is equal. What side do you need to ignore? You understand that? So please, so far, let's see what you got.
I'm still doing it.
Yes, please. That's why I said you should suffer, so you don't waste time. You soon go on your break. You go on your break. Or do you want to just conclude your class? You finished 15 minutes before so that you just finish and go. You won't go on your break and come back. You want to do a straight class? You want to go on your break? I trust you now. You go on your break. Nobody can take that 15 minutes from you. No problems. We are waiting. Just finish this one. Let's see. Don't go and play. Oh, that your break that you used to go and play. So the other one is a word problem. Are you there?
Yes, I'm doing it.
Yeah, keep going there. You need to hurry up, okay?
Okay.
Are you still serving?
Yes.
So what number are you? You are eating when you have not finished. Do you want to stand up? You are eating. Or you are taking water. Thought you are eating. You have not finished. You're supposed to go on your break and you're there eating. I'm waiting for you to do the exercises now. Now you're taking your whole time. You know time is money.
I finished.
Check the back if you're correct. Are you correct? Time is
Yes.
money, yeah. Time is money. You're correct. You got all of them.
Yes.
So explain how you got that perimeter.
The perimeter was easy.
So what was the formula you used?
What I did was do the regular formula.
So what's the regular formula? I asked you, you're still telling me regular formula. Just big American English for me. Break it down. That's why I asked you. I not say you speak American phonetics. What is the formula you use to get your perimeter? Thank you and God bless you.
Did side to side to side to side.
So what was the side to side you took?
It was like 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. It was like 4 from the top 4.
I'm not hearing you. Come again. What's the side to side? Did you consider the horizontal or the vertical?
I did.
Which of them did you pick?
I considered both of them.
Huh?
I considered both of them.
You considered what?
I considered the horizontal side.
The horizontal side, right? Alright, so consider the horizontal side. You added 4 plus. Did you add number 3? What did you do in number 3?
Number 3.
I can't hear you.
For number 3.
I can't hear you.
For number 3.
I can't hear you. You can hear me, right? Why are you stressing me? Why are you laughing?
I need to use the restroom.
You want to use the restroom? Because I'm stressing you too much. No problem. Use the restroom. You have 3 minutes. Come back. Talking small. When you come Nigeria, you go know say children they shout for you. So he's coming back. Wait, I have to mute him until he's back. So everyone, please share this live video. Thank you for joining my live video. Merry Christmas to you. And then yeah, the real is time is money. Time is money, yo. Time is money. Time is money. I'm suspecting. Okay. Just got peace with him. I'm done with it. Emmanuel, come back now. You've been there for ages. Please come back so that we can round up, then you go on your break. Like I got to me that I wasted that money. Emmanuel, come back to class now. We chose to take the power today. They expect me to go buy fuel by this time. I don't know if I can still buy fuel. Where is Emmanuel? Where did he go? Emmanuel, it took a lot of time just to go. It took almost how many minutes? So, how did you get the parameter in number 3?
I added up the sides.
What? From the horizontal part or the vertical? Horizontal or vertical sides?
I added up all the sides.
Plus the 2 coordinate sides. How? 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 Talk loud before you go on your break. You're going on break in the next 3 minutes. I just asked a simple question and you're slow. Why? You know it, you just don't want to answer. Which side? So like the first coordinate, that 3 and 4. What did you do with the 3 and 4?
It says It doesn't say the or it just says simple.
It says what? I can't hear you.
It has 6 and 4.
6 and 4. Look properly. I am asking you. Number 3, a rectangle has points 4, 2, 6, 2, 4, 7, and 6, 7. You don't want to go on break. If you want to go on break, answer me. You just got the answer. What's this? How did you get the how did you get the perimeter? I can't hear you. You want to stand up? Stand up. Shift that chair. Stand up. I think that you're being somehow today. Shift that chair immediately. I think I'm here to joke with you. Remove that chair from my screen. Remove it from my screen. Shift it left. To the left. Out of the screen. You are the one supposed to be standing in front of that screen. Ask you a question, you'll be reluctant. How did you get the perimeter? You said you got the answer. Shift. I can't see your face. Let the camera be showing your face. Good. How did you get the perimeter? I can't hear you. You don't want to go on break. You want to go on break and you're answering me like that. Increase your voice. How did you get the perimeter? I can't hear you. Increase your voice. I told you to stop talking like this.
I was thinking about the answer.
You were thinking about the answer. So how did you get the answer at the back of your book? Go back to what you solved. What did you solve and how did you get the perimeter? Ask your question. You don't even know what I'm asking you. Who is playing with you in this class? Do I look like I'm joking? Am I joking? So you know I'm not, I don't play. So tell me, number 3, how did you get the perimeter? I can't hear you. I cannot hear you.
I wanted the sides on the graph.
What sides? The horizontal sides or the vertical sides?
The horizontal sides and the vertical sides.
So how did you do it? I said you should explain to me. You've not explained what you did. What you told me you got the answer. You've not explained it for a long time now. Why? How did you get? Check that number 3. Is the answer correct? Or you are telling me that your answers are correct when they are not correct? That one, you will face the wall. You will just face the wall for another 1 hour. You know you've never faced the wall. I'll give you... So, number 3, what's the answer? Page number 138.
It is 14.
14. So how did you get 14? Did you get 14 on your own?
Yes.
So check your book. How did you get 14? That's what I'm asking you. Explain to me how you got 14.
I plotted them on the graph.
You plotted them on the graph. Then after plotting them, how did you get 14? How did you come about 14?
I came about 14. And then after plotting it on the graph, I will then see how it will be, how big this will then.
I can't hear you. Or did you check the answer to reply me and tell me you are done? If that's what you did, you are lucky that you are not in Nigeria. I would have flogged you. You are just very, very lucky. If that's what you did there, I'll personally tell your mommy to flog you for me. I'll personally tell her to flog you for me. See, explain. How did you get the perimeter? That perimeter, you told me you got the answer.
After I plotted the sides on the graph, I measured them and then...
How did you measure them? How?
On the graph, how it would be, how big the square will be.
Okay. They asked you that it was a rectangle. We are going back to, you don't want to go on break. No problems. I'm equal to you. I'm here with you. We are not going on break. Your break is cancelled. You are going to be in this class because I cannot imagine. You're the one that saw something. Are you the one that saw the answer and told me? Or did you open the back? I know you can't do that. I'm not even expecting, but if you do that, from next year, anything I ask you to solve, you must snap it. When I'm done, you tell your parents to snap it and send it to me. From next year, I want to see all your methodology. Do you understand? You are still standing. Stand erect. Don't lean on anything. You are supposed to. You are on punishment. Shift to this side. Stand well. Stand well. Think it's a joke that both of us are here. You know how much an hour costs, and I'm asking you, wasting time. Don't know that time is money. You are lucky that I'm not there with you. If I was there with you, sorry. This is a rectangle. Look up, oh. Is this not a rectangle? And they gave you points. What?
They gave us 0.42, 0.62, 0.47, 0.67.
The first one from here, they said it's 4, right?
Yes.
And then its vertical displacement is probably 2. But the rectangle, what does the rectangle have in common?
A rectangle. What the rectangle has in common
It's 2 sides that are equal and 2 upsides that are equal. It's a polygon, right? With 2 pairs of equal sides. Is that not what we learned?
Yes, it is.
So no, that's what I'm asking you. How did you get 14? Just explain to me. You may have gotten the 14. How did you get that 14?
I got that 14 was when I plotted it on.
I can't even hear you. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you talking to me? I can't hear you. You said, what did you say?
When I finished plotting it on the graph, I then measured it with the squares of how it was, and then after doing that, I added the 2 2's together.
So what did you add? What number? You are teaching me now. What number and what number? Because I know we did perimeter of polygons. I'm not expecting you to fail this. We did perimeter of polygons. So which number did you add to get 14? Just tell me, let me write it.
I added the 2 2's together and the 2 4's together.
The 2's together and the 2 4's together. How many 4's did you see there? It's not only 1 4 that is there.
And 7.
4 and the 7.
Yeah, there's 2 7's.
4 plus 6 is what? 10, right?
Yes, 4 plus 6 is 10.
Okay. So which other one did you add?
There's 2 4's. There is.
Let me open it. Let me see what you are doing. Let me come closer. Bring your book to the screen.
this school.
Yeah, those 2 4s that you added. That's not the only coordinate you are giving there, is it?
No, it's not.
So why did you choose those 2 4s?
Because the 2 4s were 2 4s. So I measured it.
You measured it. Measurer. Okay, in the next 1 minute, you will go on your 15 minutes break. I've decided to give you your 15 minutes break because I'm still in the spirit of Christmas. But if I want to punish you like a kid in Nigeria, you will not be going on that 15 minutes break. But I hope what I'm thinking is not what you're doing. If I give you an exercise, you go and look at the answer and come and tell me you're done. Is that what you're doing? If you try that, anytime I come to America, I'll punish you. You think I will come to America anytime. Anytime I come to America, I will come to your house and punish you myself. Do not try that in my class. Do you understand? You are a brilliant kid. You should take responsibilities for your assignment, for your classwork. The next time this happens, from next year, if I give you something to do, you don't do it well, you are not going on that 15 minutes break. You know what I can do, right? All right, so your time starts now. Exactly 15 minutes, come back. When are you coming back?
At 12:45.
How is it 12:45? If you add 12 this 5 minutes, that's 12:30. Okay, you're right. Okay then, please, exactly 12:45. I'm here waiting for you. I'll just call you. I don't need to call you. Still be checking time. Don't go far. Okay? Meanwhile, be thinking of that your parameter that you didn't get. Be thinking of it. Put it to consideration. All right. Bye. I'm waiting. If you walk, think me and you are playing here. You got the highest in your class. You think it's a joke. You want to be, think you are in America. I want to come and play with my class. It's not me that will teach you and you will not pass. Oh. God forbid. I don't care where you are. Not be me go teach you where you no go pass. Oh. You can't spoil the reputation of my prestigious academy. I won't let you do that, man. But this boy is a brilliant boy, sharp. Just that this boy, when he's tired, you'll be doing anyhow. I think I don't know, because he has not gone on break, he's not doing space me. Okay, guys, thank you. Someone watching us. I don't know who's watching. Let me see who's watching us. Is it possible to highlight who's watching us? Yeah. So my students have gone on break. Only one person is watching. Thank you for watching. Yes, I'm a very strict teacher. All my students, yeah, I know how to. I teach calmly. I also teach very when I want them to be on their toes. Yes. When I want them to be on their toes, I teach them. Yes, happy Xmas Eve, CHI-BBT. God bless you. Thank you. So guys, please share this live video. My client has gone on his 15 minutes break. When he comes back, we'll continue and finish up. We succeeded in finishing a whole textbook this term. To the glory of God. I don't know how God did it, but God did it regardless. Thank you, Jesus. I'm happy. I'll always attribute all my success to God, regardless of what anything or anybody says. I'll punish him. Oh, that's the truth. Oh, all these my students, all of them, the one in Canada, the one, all of them, I will visit all of them. I'll punish him because whenever I get to the US, I'll just locate all their houses, visit them, give them a visit, and they will see their teacher. Yes, I have plans to, since my major client base is in diaspora, I have plans to visit all of them in all the countries that they are. So one day, one by one, I'll visit all of them in all their respective countries. And boom, that is it. So please, in case you are here, we are waiting for more power to your efforts and wisdoms to you. CHI-BBT Academy is really making a great impact. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I'll punish him. That is what it is. Okay. Waiting for him to come back. When he comes back, what will I be doing now? I'll be here with you guys discussing. So I'll have to go. I don't know if they'll still be selling fuel by this time. Tomorrow I'll buy fuel again. Next time I'm going to try Instagram Live. I'm going to try Instagram Live next year. Life is